Dear friends, welcome to Art for Life channel. Today, let's do a creative artwork using potato. Yes, you heard it right. A painting using potato. Before we move on, please subscribe the channel and support us. Let's start by arranging the potato. Don't worry, your mother won't scold you, because after this work, you can take a picture of your painting and give the potato back to the kitchen. Now instead of potato, you can use rounded pebbles also. Today we will use a very cheap Dom's watercolor cake for coloring. Here I will be directly start painting with brush. But you can draw with pencil and make necessary corrections, before starting the painting. I am not going to do a very realistic painting here. The purpose of this art tutorial is to give some creative ideas to use different materials for art. Hope it will be very useful for beginners and kids. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, share the video, and also please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your support is so valuable to us. So here we are drawing a man sitting on rock and fishing. Also there is a cat by his side. You can watch the watercolor painting method, etc., but the choice of colors is totally up to you. Here I am drawing with blue sky and water. But you can plan for a sunset or sunrise, which will give you the opportunity to use more colors. Friends, please give your comments and suggestions for the next tutorial in the comments section. For coloring sky, use more water and let the light blue color spread across the paper. This will give a very good sky texture. But be very careful while spreading the water, it should not touch the other darker colors nearby. This may damage the light blue color. Friends and young artists, just watch and enjoy this painting process. Since the base of the painting is ready, now you can give more details using darker colors. Here I have given more details to the man. Make sure you don't fill the entire space with darker colors, leave some of the previous layers of light colors. This is so important to give a dynamic look to your painting and also makes it look more realistic. With each layer of darker blue shades, you can see how water ripples etc. are captured. As we go away, give smoother ripples, this gives more realistic look to the water. The potatoes have captured the 3D look of the rock. If required, give more shadows on the potatoes too. You can add more detailed scenery, like trees, distant houses etc., but I am trying to keep it as simple as possible and keep the video short. Dear friends, hope you have understood how we start with light colors and then move to darker shades to give more details and shadows. This technique remains same for all watercolor paintings. I request all the young artists to finish watching this tutorial and draw along with me. We will finish it up with few final touches. Hope everyone liked this tutorial. Please subscribe the channel for more art tutorials. You can click on the 2 video links shown here and learn more about drawing and painting. Thanks for watching. Bye.